Hi there. I just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of how you could use this progress report document. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is record a quick video. Let me show you how. All right. So when you go to record your video, this is the extension that you'll see on your screen. You'll start by selecting a webcam only option. You will want to enable your microphone so that your students can hear you. And I recommend turning this countdown on so that you have a couple of seconds to get ready. Once you have perfected your options, you will go ahead and click record. And you'll make a quick video of you telling your students how proud you are of them, congratulating them, all of that good stuff. When you're done recording, you'll click stop and it will open in your video management page. Okay. Now that you've made your video, let's talk about how to use this progress report. First things first, you want to add some custom information. That includes changing the name to be the correct student's name, changing the date so it reflects the date that you're distributing this progress report, and then adding in some narrative comments that highlight this student's strengths and perhaps areas of growth. So again, in this box, you can go ahead and type. Now, here is the fun part. Down here is where we're going to add our video. From the video management page, you will go ahead and select this Generate QR Code option. From there, you'll click the option that says Copy QR Code. Once you've copied it, paste it on your progress report. Now you'll select Edit, Paste, move your QR code, and you're ready to go.